Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the second part of the second chapter of your grammar book, that is pronoun. Pronoun. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or noun equivalent. Example: I, me, us, these, those, he, her, himself, etc. Do you know what is the meaning of the word pronoun? Pronoun means for a noun. That is why the definition of the word pronoun is: it is a word used instead of a noun. Kinds of pronoun. There are many kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and emphatic pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, distributive pronoun, relative pronoun. So there are so many kinds of pronoun. Let us recapitulate what we have read. Personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are those pronouns that replace nouns. They may function as the subject or the object in a sentence. For example, I, we, us, her, he. Now, personal pronouns are of two types: subjective personal pronoun and objective personal pronoun. From the name of these two types of pronoun, we can understand that pronouns that refer to subjects in a sentence must be subjective personal pronoun, and pronouns that refer to objects in a sentence must be objective personal pronoun. For example, she gave me a glass of water. Here we can see that there are two pronouns, she and me. The pronoun she in the sentence is in subject's position, so it is subjective personal pronoun. But the pronoun me in the sentence is in object's position, so it is objective personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possession or ownership. Example: mine, hers, his, theirs, etc. First person possessive pronoun: mine, ours. Second person: yours. Third person: his, hers, theirs. Here you have to remember one thing, that the pronoun it does not have any possessive pronoun form. Now, what is the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective? Just remember one thing. If the word is a pronoun, it must have replaced noun. But if the word is adjective, it may not have replaced anything. Rather, it will qualify the noun and will be placed before the noun. Let us see the examples. If we say, the house in the corner is his, the book is mine. In these two sentences, his and mine are possessive pronoun. But if we say, this is my book, the house in the corner is his, in these two sentences, we are using the word his and mine before a noun. So here these words are possessive adjective. Next, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object or objects they indicate. For example, these, that, these, those, etc. Demonstrative pronoun is placed instead of noun, but demonstrative adjective is placed before nouns. Example, this is my car. When we are saying this is my car, the word this is demonstrative pronoun. But if we say this car is mine, here the word this is placed before a noun. That is why here it is acting as an adjective. I hope you understand it. Next, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. For example, who, what, which, whose, etc. Example, which is your pen? I have already said that if the pronoun is used in place of noun, if the word is used in place of noun, then that must be a pronoun. Here you can see the word which is placed instead of noun, so it is interrogative pronoun. But if we say which pen is yours, here the word pen is a noun and the word which is placed before the noun, so it is interrogative adjective. Next, reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Examples, myself, themselves, yourself, etc. Reflexive pronouns are used when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence. In some cases, they can act as the object of the sentence if the subject and the object are the same. Look at the example. I hurt myself. Here, the word myself are used to refer the subject, and here the subject and the object are the same. So, myself is the reflexive pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are used to emphasize the action of the subject. For example, I myself saw him do it. Here, the word myself is used to emphasize the action of the subject. So, it is emphatic pronoun. Next, indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns stands for some nouns implied or understood. All these pronouns refer to persons or things in a general way, but do not refer to any person or thing in particular. That is why the name is indefinite. Examples: no one, nobody, nothing. Someone, somebody, something. Anyone, anybody, anything. Everyone, everybody, everything. One, all, some, few, many, none. Examples are: one must not praise one's self. Anyone can go there. Nobody was there to rescue the child. Few escaped unhurt. Etc. etc. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns are words like each other and one another. They refer to action in one direction and also occurring back in the opposite direction. For example, each other, one another. They are talking to each other. The kids spent the afternoon kicking the ball to one another. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns are used to refer persons or things at a time and are always singular. Example: either, neither, each. Each of the boys get a prize. Either of you can go. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are used to add information about a noun already mentioned and also help in joining two statements together. For example, who, whom, which, whose, that. All these are examples of relative pronoun. Suppose there are two sentences. The man is honest, the man is trusted, and we have to join it. To join it, we have to use relative pronoun. We can write that the man who is honest is trusted. So here, to join these two sentences, we are using the word who. Next, here is the book that you lent me. Here, that is the relative pronoun. So students, what you have to do is go through the book and practice the exercise. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.